Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory. In today's session, we will discuss the practical RC differentiator. So just click on RC differentiator and integrator, and in the simulation part, just click on RC differentiator. In this practical, we will differentiate the input waveform with the help of a combination that is of resistor and capacitor. We will apply our input across the capacitor and we will see the output across the resistance with the help of oscilloscope. On the left hand side there is a list of instructions. First, we have to set the value of resistance and capacitor. Then click on the on button to start the experiment. Then apply a square waveform at the input. Click on the oscilloscope to see the output across the resistance with the help of oscillator. Now change the value of frequency, amplitude, volt per division with the help of controllers. So let's start the implementation or the simulation of RC differentiator. First, set the value of capacitor. So let's suppose it's 4 microfarad. Set the value of resistance. Now click on the on button. Apply square waveform at the input. We are differentiating square waveform. Click on oscilloscope. So this is the output waveform for a square wave input. Channel 1 is for input waveform, channel 2 is for output waveform, and when we click on dwell, we can see both input and output waveform on a single screen. A controller for channel 1 with volt per division, controller for channel 2. We can change the volt per division rating by sliding this tab. We can change the time per division with the help of this slide bar. We can change the value of frequency with the help of this frequency tab, and we can change the amplitude with the help of this amplitude tab. So we have to apply a square wave across the input. With the help of waveforms, we can analyze that for a square wave input, at the output we will get spikes. As we all know that the differentiation of a constant term is always 0. So for this constant value we are getting a 0 output. For this constant we are getting a 0 output. But when our waveform is changing from a negative value to a positive value, then there is a change in the output. These output points, or we can say this waveform, is basically called spikes. At this position, our waveform value is not constant. It is changing from minus to plus. This is changing from minus to plus. So we are getting some value, or we can say a slight value for at the output. So this is basically the implementation of a differentiator with the help of RC, and by applying a square wave input we can get a spike at the output across the resistance. Thank you.